Na 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 na. And finally, he's here, the classic Batman TV series of the 60s, starring Adam West from McFarlane. Much awaited ang figure na to kasi this is the 7 inches figure, unlike dun sa nauna nilang nilabas which is only 5 to 6 inches and carded pa. Syempre, andyan yung classic logo ng Batman Classic TV series. Meron din siyang accessories, even alternate hands. At sa likod ng kanyang box, ang portrait ni Adam West in his Batman suit. And finally, Adam West out of the box. And what makes this figure so special? Yung kanyang cape. Because this is one of the first McFarlane figures na ginawa nilang tela yung cape ni Batman and wired yung both ends nung kanyang cape. Para naman, you can do whatever you want sa cape ni Batman, unlike dun sa mga naunang figures na goma lang yung ginagawa nilang capes dun sa mga figures. Pagdating sa articulation, alam nyo na yan. Double joints yung kanyang elbow, yung kanyang wrist, yung kanyang waist, yung kanyang knees, yung kanyang paa. Especially dito sa head, talagang ang ganda ng pagkaka-sculpt nila. Kuwang-kuha nila yung cowl or yung mask ni Batman with matching eyebrows, yung kanyang ilong, and yung sa kanyang face talagang hindi nag-recast talaga si McFarlane dahil mare-recognize mo talaga dito that this is Adam West and not somebody else's figure.